Hello, just to clarify, I am not an engineer, but I have spoken to many in the manufacturing industry, and I'm married to one. Many people get into engineering because they are passionate about building stuff, solving problems, and making things better. People's ability to solve complex problems benefits manufacturing companies all over the world. Engineering provides meaningful solutions to problems and also leads to endless possibilities in technical professions. Today I want to talk about 3 things that take the initial joy of being an engineer away, and I assume many people will be able to relate. Number 1. Meetings with unrealistic expectations. If deadlines are unrealistic and people cannot achieve what they aim for, frustration and stress take over. Lack of communication leads to pointing fingers, and this leaves people with often unbearable pressure. Number 2. People who make decisions and have no understanding about the product or engineering. For example, if you have a sales guy who doesn't understand the product and makes promises to the customer that the people in the plant cannot deliver, it becomes a very frustrating experience for the project engineer. Number 3. Make it happen with no support. The phrase "make it happen" is unfortunately all too common and is used when a person doesn't even know what support they could possibly provide. Be aware, if we want to promote the engineering profession, things in the industry will drastically have to change, because the younger generation won't stick around if they feel that the impact they could possibly make is stifled by lack of leadership, communication, and support. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.